To send Bitcoin from Tangem Wallet to Kraken, you need to follow a series of steps. First, ensure you have the Tangem Wallet app installed on your device and that you have already set up an account on Kraken, a popular cryptocurrency exchange. Start by opening the Tangem Wallet app and selecting the Bitcoin account you want to use for the transfer. Make sure you have sufficient Bitcoin balance in your Tangem wallet to cover the amount you want to send plus any applicable transaction fees. Next, log into your Kraken account and navigate to the funding section. Here, you will find the deposit options, including Bitcoin. Click on the Bitcoin deposit option and Kraken will generate a unique deposit address for you to send your Bitcoin to. This address is specific to your Kraken account and should be used for this transaction only. Copy the Bitcoin deposit address provided by Kraken. Go back to the Tangem Wallet app, select the Send option, and paste the Kraken deposit address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send, taking care to leave enough for transaction fees. Review the transaction details carefully to ensure everything is correct. Before confirming the transaction, make sure you are sending to the correct address, as Bitcoin transactions are irreversible. Once you confirm, the transaction will be processed and the Bitcoin will be sent from your Tangem wallet to your Kraken account. It is essential to note that Bitcoin transactions are recorded on a public ledger called the blockchain, and the processing time may vary depending on the network congestion and the fees you are willing to pay. Generally, it can take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours for the transaction to be confirmed. After the transaction has been confirmed, you can log into your Kraken account to verify that the Bitcoin has been successfully deposited. You can then use these funds to trade on the Kraken platform or withdraw them to another wallet. In conclusion, sending Bitcoin from Tangem Wallet to Kraken involves setting up both accounts, generating a deposit address on Kraken, and using this address to send Bitcoin from the Tangem Wallet app. Always double-check the transaction details and be aware of the transaction fees and processing times to ensure a smooth transfer.